Jason Crabb.
And I'm Cindy Crabb, and we're at Crabb Company in Wappapello Lake.
Our tagline is steak, seafood, and barbecue. And in between all of that, we have U.S. farm-raised catfish, hand-breaded chicken strips, and the list goes on. One of our most popular items is our custom kettles. We have a huge selection from crab legs, lobster, crawfish, shrimp, clams, mussels, sausage, eggs, mushroom, it goes on and on.
I think one of the things that our customers really enjoy is Jason and the team take a lot of pride in developing those recipes, and so everything down to what they garnish each plate is well thought out. So every time that he adds a menu, he's thinking of that next level. What is going to take this to just from being ordinary or just a selection to really being one of our featured items here at Crabb Company.
I'd say the biggest thing that sets us apart is our history. This is where Cindy and I met. This is how we got started. That's part of who we are. And so we take pride in offering good service and good food.
But my favorite thing that I enjoy, and the kitchen spoils me, but I love our blackened snapper. I like it with the dirty rice. We added that this year because I like the dirty rice with the blackened snapper. And then they do a Brussels sprout dish that is flash fried, and then Jason's homemade some more sauce, and that is put on it, and it's really amazing. So that's my go-to if I'm really craving a good dinner here.
It's all my favorite. They're all like my kids. My plates are. They're like my kids. So I love them all.